Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Sadly, my little boy is growing up, and it's time to replace his childish baseball ceiling fan with something more mature, and we're all very happy with this beautiful low-profile ceiling fan. Not only is it so beautiful to look at, it's also highly functional and easy to operate. We were all really surprised by the amount of air that this tiny fan can produce. My son likes to have his fan on whether it's summer or winter. He likes to snuggle up in his blankets with a cool breeze on him. And with the handy remote control, he's able to do this with the comfort of his own bed. There are so many different settings to choose from. You can dim the lights and choose your preference of color. There are 6 different speeds for the fan, and you can set a timer and decide the direction of the airflow. This came with everything that you needed for installation, as well as easy to read direction. It also has an easy to follow video on their Amazon page. My husband and I had this put together and hung in about 30 minutes. We were very impressed by how quiet this fan is. It has a very low ambient noise that will help you fall asleep quickly. So if you're in the market for a new ceiling fan that's not only beautiful but versatile and will keep you cool on hot nights, then you're going to love this ceiling fan from Chansim. And that's my point of view.